Sometimes you need to get into your Google My Business account, now known as the Google Business Profile, and you need to change the ownership or set up managers or maybe remove somebody that you don't want in your account any longer. Now, things have changed in 2023, so I'm going to show you exactly where you can go to get this done. So here I am on my screen here, and you can see I am logged in under the Gmail that I originally set up my account. So the new way to get in and make edits to your Google Business Profile information is no longer through the dashboard. Now you go to the search screen once you're logged in and you type in your business name. So I'm going to type in Big West Marketing. That's my business name. And when you're logged in here, you're going to see all this little extra information down here where you can make all kinds of changes. So you can edit the profile, do your reviews, messages, photos, etc. What we want to do is change ownership or management. So we're going to click on these three little dots right here. And then we're going to click on Business Profile Settings. Now you're going to see at the top here, this first option is called Managers. Let's click on that. Now right here, you can see all the people that I have set up with my account. And me, Joe Burnich, I am the primary owner. So there's primary owners, and there's managers. Let's see what it looks like when we go to add somebody new. Okay, all you're going to do is put in their email address. They're going to get an invite in their email that they need to accept. Okay, and you can either make them an owner or a manager. As you can read the difference between an owner and a manager right here in this screen. Let's jump back to look and see how do we remove somebody from our account. So let's say I wanted to remove Wendy. I'm not going to do that, but if I wanted to, I would click on her and then I would click on Remove Manager. Okay, and like I said, the only way you're able to actually do that is if you are the primary owner. So hopefully, if you are the owner of the business, you are set up as the primary owner. Now, if they have set themselves up as the primary owner, you're going to want to ask them to please make you the primary owner. You're not going to be able to do it from your end. You're going to have them do it for you. And if you don't know who the owner is, or you no longer have contact with that person, let's say it's an employee that's no longer with your business, or you hired a marketing company that you're no longer working with, what you're going to need to do is get a hold of Google support. Okay, you're going to submit a support ticket and go back and forth with Google until you get this fixed out. How do you do that? I have a whole video with the details, but real quick, if you want to do it, you're going to click on these dots here. You're going to go down to Help and Support, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to Contact Us. This is where you're going to enter all your information, the issue that you have, as detailed as possible. Use screenshots if necessary. Submit that over to Google. Be patient, be kind. They will respond to you, and hopefully you can get this worked out. Now, if you like the information you've seen in this video, please subscribe. I've got a lot more where this came from, and you can also ask any questions you want down in the comments below. I will get back to you. Now, if you're looking to rank on Google, I have a lot of good information for you. Free videos on this channel, or you can download my free cheat sheet in the link in the description below. And basically, this is a PDF, and it'll step you through everything you need to know to get your business to the top of Google My Business or the Google Business Profile. And if you look here, there are little links to each one of these steps. So if you want to go deep and see examples, then you'll have a video for each one of those. So go ahead and go down there and download this right now. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich with BigWestAcademy.com, and I will see you in the next video.